What if economies weren't just forces of nature, but systems we build and shape? Behind economies lies a web of institutions built by people. So, how do we rewire these systems for productivity, inclusion, sustainability in the 21st century? This is Factory Reset, a podcast that rewires the conversation on industrial policy and structural transformation. In a world where economies don't come with a user manual, we're exploring how nations from India to the global south are hitting or can hit reset to build economies that work for the future. This podcast is brought to you by the researchers at the New Political Economy Initiative, a research program at IIT Bombay. In this series, we sit down with academics, industrialists, union leaders, and practitioners who aren't afraid to question the old playbook or learn from it and attune to the realities of our times.